Hi, I'm Allison Williford with Associated Sales here at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center to talk about Hansgrohe today. Hansgrohe has a rich history in shower and product development. Started in 1901 in the Black Forest in Schiltach, Germany. We have been innovating in showering technology with our first shower head that was invented in 1905 and continuing to introduce new products with new technologies that deliver exceptional showering performance since then. Some of our features that we offer and showcase are going to be air induction shower heads. So what you're going to see here, this was introduced when California decreased the flow rate of our water. So instead of introducing a flow restrictor, we re-engineered the shower heads and actually take air into the shower head and mix it with the water so the droplets feel bigger and larger and like you're using more water than you actually are. Another great feature that we offer is our PowderRain technology, which is on numerous shower heads and hand showers, where the water comes out and it delivers micro-droplets. As you're showering, the water just hits your body and continues to run down. It's not bouncing back off, so it's going to help you keep your shower glass doors clean a lot longer. If you'd like to experience Hansgrohe products, please visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance, Costa Mesa, Calabasas, or Studio City.